Welcome to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. I'm Allison Brune, a wardrobe stylist, and this is my daughter, Delia Folk, and together we make up the Style That Binds Us team. This video is all about getting quickly dressed for summer in less than 10 minutes, I would say. So we're going to talk about summer dressing, summer dresses. It's our favorite way to dress for warmer weather. You can throw on a cute earring, sunglasses, shoes, whatever, little slides, and you're out the door and you look fabulous. This summer is going to be a little bit different, of course, for many of us, for everybody, in fact. More so some than others. Some places are opening up. So some of the pieces you won't, like if you're in a situation where you can go out and about in something like this, that's great. You might not wear this just around the house, but the type of dress that Delia is wearing can be worn anywhere. It's very light, and we're going to start with her. So her dress, the brand is called S-E-A. It's a delightful brand with really whimsical, fun, girly, easy dresses. It's eyelet, so that is nice and cool. It's actually more cool than if you were wearing like cutoffs in a t-shirt, because there's lots of lightness and room in the piece. So she can put it on. She has on an adorable little thong sandal slide from a brand called Lake. L-A-I-I-K. They're greatly influenced by the Greek Isles because their family is from Greece. So we can have a link to those shoes because you need to go to their website and learn more about how the shoes are made and everything. It's really a delightful brand, great price point, and unbelievably comfortable. And then she threw on these adorable earrings by Rosie Azalin that are actually crocheted, and they're this pretty light blue, which is huge for this summer, which we love, and it gives a pop of color to the outfit. So she could wear that pretty much anywhere, even if it is for a Zoom call or summer party on Zoom, or if she is actually, even if she's just taking a walk down the street, if she's still in somewhere like New York that's pretty much closed down, or if she's somewhere else in the country where more things are opening, that would be such a fun dress to wear to a Saturday farmer's market type experience, outdoors or on a picnic. So this dress that I'm wearing is a little bit more dressy. I'm not sure if you would actually wear it just around the house unless you were going on some kind of Zoom date or something like that. But it's a gorgeous color. It has tiers. It is super comfortable, and it is by a new brand, new to us, brand that is called Essential Antwerp. We're obsessed with Antwerp. Belgium has unbelievable fashion designers that have come out from that area for years. So this is another option. I've paired it with some ankle strap little sandals of the same color. It has a grosgrain ribbon belt. If you wear the belt in the front, it's got a silver little buckle, so that makes it a little bit more casual. If you turn it to the back and you just see the grosgrain ribbon, then it's dressier. You can also just not even have the belt on at all, and it just is like a flapper dress. So both of these dresses are super fun, super comfortable, and that's our first look. And you can see how you would throw on the dress, stick on an earring. My earrings are my little pearl and gold earrings by Beck Jules. We adore her and her brand. And then you throw on your shoe and you're ready to go. How simple is that? It takes less time than putting on a workout look, which I'm not a huge fan of. Okay, next look, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we are with our second looks. And we wanted to give a shout out to Collie Jennings, who's a friend of ours. She has a shop in Princeton, New Jersey called Rouge, which is a fabulous boutique. And she sent us these dresses as great examples to wear during this video when we talk about summer dresses. So here we go. This is another one by S-E-A. It's very similar to the one she wore before, but it's in this gorgeous yellow color. You want to do a little turn for everybody, and you're wearing really fun shoes. It's a good platform shoe. Is that Chloe, maybe? Chloe. And then she's got on some fun earrings that are multicolored to give the dress even more pop than it's already got. And it's obvious where you could wear this. You could even put little sneakers on with this and run a few errands. And then this dress is also by Essential Belgium that we talked about. Excuse me, Essential Antwerp from Belgium that we talked about before. It's a little dressier. It's really fun though too. Beautiful. It would be gorgeous. Let's say if you're even, some people are attending weddings and things like that and graduations on Zoom. So you could put on something like this, and then you will have it, if you don't wear it too much this summer, which most likely you would not wear a dressier dress this summer so much, so you'll have it for next season too. I'm always encouraging people to buy things. When you buy something, don't think, well, I might not wear it this season. Because if you love it, you'll wear it, and you'll wear it and wear it and wear it. So it's beautiful print, gorgeous, gorgeous colors, and we think both of these dresses are fabulous options for getting ready easily and super chicly to have your best summer yet. Now we're on to look number 3. Here we are with look number 3. This time we're going a little more boho chic in our dresses. And Delia is wearing one by Ulla Johnson. It is light, it is gauzy, it is gorgeous, and it even has these little metallic threads running through the print. It's very feminine, super comfortable. Give us a little twirl. Oh, that's so cool. Love that dress. And she's dressed it up a little bit with some gold hoops and these fabulous gold slides from our friend Chloe Goslin. They are gorgeous shoes, but you can also take it down. You could take it down and put it on with a little thong sandal and a big summer hat. So that's one of these dresses that we're crazy about because it serves so many different purposes. And again, that one is by someone we absolutely adore, Ulla Johnson. And this is a dress you probably, if you know me at all, you see me wear it because I just could live in it. It is the lightest. It's as light as a little feather. And I love the print. I love the colors. I love the ribbons. The ribbons make it so special. And it's by a brand called Warm NY, Warm New York. And they have a bunch of different dresses like this. So I'm wearing some fun sandals that I love from the brand Schutz, S-C-H-U-T-Z, that they're strappy and they're kind of a creamy white. So I think I'm very on trend right now, but you can also take this way down with just a little thong sandal. You can even put it on with a flip-flop if you wanted to, and some sunglasses, and you know, run out to get some coffee or something. So anyway, we think these are two outstanding looks to, once again, throw them on and basically you're out the door. The key is just having these pieces in your closet. Alrighty, you ready for look number 4? Yeah. Okay. Here we are in our 4th and final dresses that we've chosen for today. This dress that I'm wearing is by the brand Sleeper. It's www.thesleeper.com. We'll have a link to it. And this dress I got last year, I believe, and it has been so popular that now they have it in several different patterns. Some are ginghams, they're just all fabulous. And it's called the Atlanta dress. So on their website, we'll put some of those in the link because it is, they really do make pajamas and stuff, but they also make these dresses, which this one is obviously linen and it can be dressed up, dressed down, so much fun. All the colors and patterns they have are just magnificent. All right, next, Delia, you want to tell us about your look?
This is called Belize. This is a fun, throw-on, colorful dress. I think one of the best things when this is all happening in the spring, summertime is that means bright colors for the wardrobe, which is something that I think everyone needs right now. So for us, this happens, and maybe this happens for you too, when you put on a bright, happy, cheerful color, it kind of elevates your mood without you really having to do anything but put on the dress. So we wanted to take you through a YouTube video to teach you how we like to get dressed in the summer, and going back to working with mom, having your core wardrobe, which looks different for the summer and the fall. Of course, some pieces are year-long and seasonless, But then you have then you get to start playing. You have the fun pieces, the accessories that you can, once you've put on, you've chosen your dress, then you can just have fun and play and add all these things. And getting dressed is so much more fun instead of this stressful chore. So we encourage everyone, even if you're at home, to put on these outfits that will brighten your mood, and it takes less than 10 minutes to get dressed, and you're sure to get compliments even if it's from 6 feet away.
That's right. And I always get so excited when I'm taking out my summer clothes in the spring, and I'm like, oh, I forgot about this dress and this dress. So yeah, we will have a link down below for you to see options similar to what we've had on today. And we are thrilled that you joined us and hope that you join us again soon for another episode of The Style That Binds Us on the YouTube channel, How to Get Dressed in 10 Minutes or Less. Thanks for joining.